Yo, welcome back to another data series episode, season 2, episode 2, and yeah, we're gonna go straight into it. 1 month bearish came and swept this low. We're starting to reject off of that now. We have EQ still left untapped. Yeah, with that, there we go. So we have EQ on both ES and NQ left untapped. We have this change on the daily, so I do expect this to get ran to or ran through. 4 hour, a bit tricky. I'm not going to lie. 4 hour, nothing in 4 hour really correlated. We have S&T the highs. We've used that to come lower, it seems. And yeah, we have this high right here, which will probably be my draw. I actually need to find out what the magnet shortcut is. Really a lot easier. We're inside this 4 hour Cibi. We do have bullish order flow. 1 hour looks a bit choppy, but most likely targeting this high as my low hanging fruit. We have this bullish spissy, and same thing here. We have this bullish spissy here, and this high over there, which actually leaves relatively equal highs on the ES. So I would want to see us just pump here. Let's channel this, and we'll get right into the minutely. So this is news. Monday, and this is day before the big three. Okay, let's go. Weekly. The weekly looks nice. Bearish order flow. But swept. Significant low. I think we had a city as well. Yeah. Yes. This is actually pretty loud. I'm going to turn this down. Go to a different one. So 4 hour inversion, busy. Definition, we have a shift in order flow when we create is a bit choppy. Expecting not much as well because it is a bonus minute. So 1 hour, 5 minute. Oh wait, 1 hour busy? Yeah, okay. Bullish. Wanna see the high, swing high. Taken. This is our lowest group. And now let's go for 15. Nothing much on the 15. I'm not really gonna annotate it that much. And 5 minute, we've just been holding bullish order flow, but we could very well see us sweep that again. Perhaps go to EQ of that range, and then come higher. Okay, so let's see what happens now. So nice, we do get that dump. Let's see this probably be the range. We do hit that range. So I'm gonna keep playing the chart here. Now I really do wanna use like, I really do want to use like the 15 seconds, so or like the 15-second charts. I would just want to tape read instead of acting upon the trade, acting upon whatever. And I do expect there to be a model right here. Yeah. So this is literally textbook model. Beautiful. I'm not really that comfortable with using the 15 seconds, but obviously tape reading is always okay. In this series, I'm just going to be using the 1 minute, but I will just also use that. So that would have been break even there. Running what? 1 to 3. Okay. So hourly, we have this range on ES. Go. And I actually did expect that to deliver us up here, but we didn't end up doing that. It's okay. There could be a resweep, which we look like we're doing right now. So maybe a resweep one more time. No, a resweep. Ooh, just an entry here though. Sucks, so we'll have to pass on that. Save some higher. So yeah, we'll have to pass on that. Move of the day, kind of already done here. I feel like that would probably be the move. EQ has already been hit. I don't really expect anything to be met now. Maybe we get short from here, but we're in this higher time frame model. Yeah, in this higher time frame model, market maker buy model. So probably just want to keep seeing these highs get taken out, but kind of 50-50 here, reason for both sides. So just consolidating, and if we actually do dump, this could be no, it won't be. So that is the end of the day done. The day. It's probably what like down here is where probably we'll stop looking for a trade. But here we go. Formed the model, the wasn't great. Ended up getting stopped out. That model ended up getting stopped out. That model ended up being stopped out. We ended up resweeping, and then delivering to my target. So I also want to mention the 15-second. Might have been a model here actually. No. I mean maybe in this solve area, but I'm not really a fan of that. Hourly gap. Let's just see. Targeting. Let's do standard deviation here. Oops. So -2 did get hit, and yeah, they should deliver. Try to measure the gap. What's that? 2.75 points. Dang. Surprisingly big. Okay, -2. That probably would have been the trade. Although could have expected -4 because yeah, this probably would be a partial, and in fact maybe yes looks better. No, it doesn't. So we'll put the second there anyway. We ended up getting a 15-second model where I expected the price to reject. Ended up delivering to -2, so 2.5, but not delivering to my main draw. And we'll just put that there. EP was hit 1 hour inside a 1 hour busy. Anything else? Beautiful general manipulation. Okay, 5 seconds. Yeah, uglier than the 15. Well, the 15 looks the best, but yeah. Alright, next session. No trade. 15 seconds. No error. No news. So Tuesday. Trade balance. Oh wait. I don't know what I'm doing with the folders. Let me delete this. And go to this to this. And this is an orange folder. And the next day is unemployment claims. But yeah, the next day is no news, and this day is unemployment claims. Here we go. So let's go through this. So already on to the next day, Wednesday or Tuesday. Coming down, sweeping that swing low. SMT at the lows there. Still the same high time frame bias. We have that swing high. Probably the targets for yes is that. Trading inside this busy and this change. And same thing for yes. We actually rebalanced this weekly inefficiency, so it's possible that we don't come to EQ, but obviously we'll just need to see what happens lower time frame. Yeah. Weekly rebalance to an inefficiency already, so looking back, it's possible that we don't rebalance to EQ, but that's likely we do, or we don't. Daily. Bullish order flow. Rebalancing. Oh wait, not rebalancing. Trading inside a busy and inside a CISD. Let's go to 4 hour here. SMT the lows. However, overall bearish flow. Maybe we get to see not really looking for that. This is a bit difficult to lie. Might get the swing low here. Again, no news Monday. No news Tuesday. I think. Was it? way, it's actually like kind of no use. So I'll just be careful here. I'll take whatever. But yeah, this 1 hour change. And we have this hourly gap. No gap here. We have this outside here. So I want to see lower time frames, but overall kind of in the middle. I don't really expect us to come to this busy because it's a BPR. I don't really want to see that act as a breakaway. It's already balanced, but we could see that. I don't know. I'm not sure. Yeah. I would like to see us reject from this Wara busy. State. I'd want to see if this holds or not. You still have room to retrace, so that could be the reason why we go lower. Higher time frame bullish. Overall right now, it feels like there is reason for both sides. Time frames are clashing into each other, so I would want to be patient and make sure. Okay, so early SMT goes to the 15. So this already looks like a 15-minute, could be a 15-minute model. Like, yeah, I'd say the lowest hanging fruit would be here, this low here. But I could be wrong. This is a Judas, and we actually reject off of the 4 hour that we're in right now. So this already could be a 15-second model right here, where we use this as a means to sweep higher. Or go into this inefficiency here, or go into EQ of the range and then come lower. I could expect that. So just keep playing. So we do just run higher. We now have SMT at the highs, trading inside this 1 hour inefficiency and inside this 1 hour inefficiency on yes. See if it wants to come lower. do end up coming higher, but I feel like there isn't much draws. Great. Those tanking fruit would be this low if this swing high right here, but we do have orange fold news, so could expect this side to get taken as well. Let's see how far that is from open. Okay, too far. Yeah, that's probably the day done. Damn. See, this would be like a good trade as well, except that's just on the 15-second. This is a beautiful trade. Targeting probably the inefficiency rather than this high. Why? Or rather this swing high here on London. Reason being, that's just the lowest hanging fruit there. So actually knock that out. We also have SMT's lows. So all the time, like obviously price is fractal, we're gonna get a model like lower time frames, and these just look like amazing. Like, because I honestly haven't been trading that much because there just isn't a model present, right? But if you go into these lower time frames, you would see your model more, and that means your trade frequency will go higher, right? So 15-second model inside a 4-hour Bissy. SMT at lows. Beautiful. I also kind of forgot to do this. Inch direction was long. Oh wait, I didn't enter. Errors. No errors. Market noise. No market noise. Actually, yeah, there was market noise there. High time frame bias is bullish. Low time frame confirmation. There's model location was in discount. I'm actually going to change this to EQ Met because yeah, and I'm going to change this over here. Anything there. We're actually gonna add another property. Model time frame. So that's gonna be where the model appeared in. So I'm gonna put that. And select. And we're gonna do 50 seconds. And we're gonna take this off. Delete this, and yeah, there we go. And the same thing here now. Didn't really explain 15 minutes. I don't know why I didn't do that. There's nothing much anyway. There we go. And now was there a model on the one? No, that wasn't. measure standard deviation. Yeah, a -2 aligned. So -2 aligned with the city on the 1 hour. And also aligned with the high. Okay. Next session. We're actually gonna go back over here. Result, no trade. Entry direction, no trade. No error. The time frame bias is bearish. Yeah. Actually, no, bullish. Low time frame confirmation. Nothing to do there. Model location. No trade. It was a reversal, so I should do model type, and we're going to change that to multi-select. Yeah, and this one was a reversal. Model time frame was the 15-second, but ended up being no trade. Yeah, okay. Next day, Wednesday, we sweep the low right here. How long have we been going for? 33 minutes, not bad. SMT at the lows. Swing high here. This is gonna be our buy side. So 4 hour we make a change on ES, that's pretty nice. Oh wait, actually, we make this change already here. No change on NQ. That's okay though, it's fine. We have this C. And same thing here. I'll actually use this one. Actually, I'll put both of them anyway, it doesn't matter. 15 minute, wanna see. We'll go to the hourly first. Nothing really here on the hourly. Got these highs. Lowest hanging fruit is this. However, it does look like we want to just pump higher. So actually use that. The lowest hanging fruit is this. We got Asia. We actually have SMT at these lows. We've got those highs. I'm not gonna lie, overall a bit choppy, but it's kind of yeah. Okay, let's journal this, and this is gonna be the last trade. The last fixed replay thing. Daily we are still bullish. Made SMT with the lows though. 4 hour. said above. We are rejecting off a pussy. We also created the change on ES. However, so 1 out. Just accumulation here. Really accumulative. Wanna see higher, perhaps after a manipulation of the equal lows. Essentially souping. This could be London low of day because it does with day profile. So, oh wait, yes, has already swept that. So we actually have SMT at these lows. I want to see that get taken out now. So 15, not really much on the 15. Want to see the change happen. Not EQ. Yeah, not EQ. Well, kind of. I guess. Yeah. Okay. EQ on the hourly. Kind of sucks though, because it's a bit. I don't know. I don't like it. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Wanted to see what a flow bullish. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah, let's just play the chart now. We have EQ. Let's see. Okay, we take out the lows. Still respecting the SMT though. So that actually is pretty good. 15-second model, perhaps. Lack of structure here, don't want to use that. But if we do come up and make the change here, that'd be great. Yeah, so we're tapped the 4 hour inefficiency. Want to see us just pump up here. There we go. Oh, you gotta be joking. I'm gonna replay this. So, targeting a 1 to 2. It's a bit big though. So. Oh, this is the first one. Maybe I could go to. I feel like I'm kind of tricking myself because I've kind of already seen it. Like, this is a model I'll take. I'm just, like I said, just like skip too fast. Okay. It feels like I'm doing myself a disfavor as well. Because I was looking at ES, I was paying more attention to ES, but obviously NQ is stronger, so I need to look at which creates the order. get the tap in to this change, we have that 4-hour inefficiency there, and did we actually get a 15-second? No. So let's see, let's just bump here. Honestly, I could expect this high as here as well, but it's too far, I think. 135 points, that's actually not that bad. No news. So, gonna trail when this high gets it. And there it is. So, gonna trail to break even. Even here it's too it's displacing so much. I don't really expect this swing low to get hit. In fact, I'll put it right here, and yeah, let's just keep playing. Oh my god. Wow. W risk management. Wow. Okay, so that is TP hit for 1 to 1.96. Could have gotten 3.97. It looks like it does want to go to that high. We actually form a model here, but trash internal. Actually, this would be considered a resweep, so this would be internal innovation. However, high time frame is just bullish. As well as that, we're inside this market maker buy. So right here. So I don't expect this model to play out like the bearish model, but I do expect this high to get taken out, maybe in the PM or something, but we'll see. No, we just consolidate. So good that I followed my rules of lowest hanging fruit. So, W. Ended up taking a great model higher. However, it is replayed because I was too focused on ES, creating the model, since it hit EQ. But if it does hit EQ, it applies to both assets. Therefore, I should not have been zoomed in to yes. NQ was stronger and presented model first. So I don't replay is doing a model disservice. And there it is. And this would be a 1 minute entry. So model time frame, 1 minute entry. Model type was also a reversal, surprisingly. I think, right? Yeah, reversal is a reversal model because we're going into this busy. Yeah, high time frame would be considered continuation, but obviously like, look at this. This is literally reversible, right? So clearly we are still bullish. I don't know why this is still here. Ended up taking a great model higher. However, it's replayed because I was too focused on ES creating the model since it hit EQ. But if it does hit EQ, it applies to both assets. The first should not be zoomed into ES. EQ was stronger and presented the model first, but I missed that. So replayed. Taken. If I don't replay it, it's doing the model a disservice. Model SMT change it to inversion, high time frame PD rate, efficiency. It's got all of them. It's got all of them. Amazing trade. W. Is that it? I think that's it. Since it was no news day, taken out at lowest hanging fruit, which were the relative class, which is also kind of this might have been the very lowest hanging fruit, but I think that's fine as well. Yeah, okay. This is another day taking out a lowest hanging fruit, which was yeah, okay. W. Entry direction long, errors, user error, no error. No market noise, high time frame bias was bullish, low time frame confirmation, de-risk applied, no, EQ met, initial RR, wait, so put discount there, initial RR was 1 to 2, or 1 to 0.5, 1.5, final RR 1.9. There we go. So hope you guys have enjoyed that trade or backtesting episode. It was a bit long, kind of scuffed, because I was adding some sort of more properties to the journal. But yeah, I think it was pretty successful. I actually really liked it. I think the best thing was probably looking at the 15-second models. I do want to go into that, but right now in my live trading, I kind of just want to focus on building confidence and backtesting with the 15-second models. Preferred that since I prefer using the one, I'm used to using the 1 minute. So yeah, just want to forward test in live charting. Yeah, that's it. So like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys have enjoyed. I already talked about this, I don't know what I'm saying again. Peace.